Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this flyer. First, let's set the background with a colorful image of our choice. You can use any image that you please. Now, proceed to add your text. Choose the best font that appeals to you.
Frozen by the scene, portraits seem to fade. He lost his centerpiece.
Duplicate the text and merge it.
I hope he'll rest in peace. Haunted by my mind, victim or the prey. Everything is fine. Take me to my grave.
Now let's add images.
Hard to say goodbye to who I am today. Everything is fine, take me to my grave.
Proceed to add grunge. Now you can get grunge via Google search engine and download it. Then you can change the color to white. For this last part, we're going to add a plastic overlay. I downloaded that on FreePic. So I couldn't make it transparent, so I had to reduce the opacity to get the plastic effect. I hope that makes sense to you. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment, and put in the comments if you made this flyer and how did it go. Was it easy? Share your thoughts. Until next time.